In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the language in your Google Workspace. So it's going to change the language on Gmail, on all of the other Google apps, including Spreadsheets, Drive, etc. So we're going to come here to the right and we're going to click on this wrench here that says Settings. So I click on it and I'm going to go to See All Settings. So click on See All Settings. And you see that the first option that I have here is language. So at the moment I have Gmail display language into English US. So I am going to change this to Brazilian Portuguese. And you can also change language settings for other Google products. So as I said, I was going to show you how to do for everything. So this changed on the Gmail, and then you click here. And this is giving you the option to change for everything. So at the moment, I have my preferred language set to English. So I'm going to click here on this little pencil and I'm going to write Portuguese. You have the options of what Portuguese do you want. I want Portuguese from Brazil. Save. And English has been replaced by Portuguese. So you can see now that everything, all the explanations are set to Portuguese, and Google Translate plugin is offering to translate it to me to English. I don't need it. So let's go back to my Gmail and let's refresh it. And ta-da, everything right now is in Portuguese.